Alright folks, it's time for my favorite airsoft collection of all time, okay? All time, alright? All fucking time, baby. All time. Damn! Watch. Alright? So what we got here? We got the Browning, we got the coat, we got the another coat, we've got the Walter, of course, the Walter, and the Beretta. The king of Italy guns, Beretta, the best in the market. Alright, and we got a spare ponytail. I don't know in English language. Anyway, so that's officially my favorite collection, okay? My top 5 favorite guns, alright? My top 5 airsoft favorite guns. That's it.